Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at factorization. And factorization simply means expressions of two numbers in its common factors. Let's look at some examples. 5a minus 10b plus 20c. Solution. So we have 5a minus 10b plus 20c. The common factor is 5. So we have 5 into a minus 5 into 2b plus 5 into 4c. So therefore you have 5a minus 2b plus 4c. 7d plus 21. Solution. 7d plus 21. The common factor is 7. So you have 7 into d plus 7 into 3. So we have 7 into d plus 3. Your answer. 16w minus 20q. Solution. So you have 16w minus 20q. The common factor is 4. So you have 4 into 4w minus 4 into 5q. So you have 4 into 4w minus 5q 30b plus 40c minus 15x. Solution. So you have 30b plus 40c minus 15x. The common factor is 5. So you have 5 into 6b plus 5 into 8c minus 5 into 3x. So you have 5 bracket 6b plus 8c minus 3x. 6x minus 3y plus 9p. Solution. So you have 6x minus 3y plus 9p. The common factor is 3. So you have 3 into 2x minus 3 into y plus 3 into 3p. So you have 3 bracket 2x minus y plus 3p. Thank you for watching.